Hello everybody, my name is AltGamer63 and welcome back to Psycho Waluigi. So, let's see. Half of this continent is already ours, and by extension, most of the world. I think we'll go with the White Tempest Kingdom. Strong winds and raging blizzards ravage what was this once kind of great city or something. Now a paradise. Well, it's mine now. Well, not quite yet, but it will be soon. Because when Waluigi finds something he wants, he takes it. He takes it and makes it his. Hasn't my quest so far been enough to prove that to you? Because if it isn't, you're just in denial. You think that launching missiles at me will stop? No. I can grab missiles with my mind. Literally anything you toss at me, I can toss it right back. Oh, would you look at that? It's a green eye fly. That's funny. Eye flies, such majestic creatures. Oh, I love each and every one of them. Even in my time of need, they're there for me. I can't believe it. I love these things. I think I'll let them live. Well, some of them. Only the ones I deem useful. You walrus! You will be the first one to die. I always hated football. I always hated football. No one ever invited me. Look at this world, ravaged by snow. Well, I like it. It's cold, dark, and quiet. Just like my soul. Well, if it's still even left in there. At this point, I'm not even sure. But when push comes to shove, Where is he? Where is my eye fly? Oh, there you are, buddy. I was just about to say, I might reconsider sparing your species. Perhaps this is why they've decided to help. They're afraid of what I can do. I can't blame them. I'd be pretty scared of what I could do. Well, if I wasn't me, of course. But I am me. I'm the meest me that will ever be. Oh, would you look at that? More eye fly buddies. Oh, how I love these fellows. Well, I must admit, that's interesting. These eye flies are so eager to help me. Their master, they actually accept the fact that I'm their king. While all these others just try to stop me, well, undoubtedly, they doom everyone. Believe me, it's a noble effort and I can commend you for that. But honestly, what edge do you have over me? If I've gotten this far, what makes you think I won't go further? I've shown no signs of stopping. I'm willing to go to the ends of the earth to conquer this world. Believe me. Huh. Little spike balls. What are you smiling about? Perhaps they want to die. I'll admit, they could be useful in my army against any foreign threats that come and try to take over. But that's just wishful thinking on their part. So calming, really, when you consider how much I've been through. Take that, buddy. So calm, you know? When you're just running against the wind. Whoa, oh! I'm getting rather good at this, wouldn't you agree? I'm rather incredible. I can float down. So my iFly buddy has finally abandoned me. Well, I think I can let one nuisance slide. Or perhaps I'll just hunt down that specific one and kill him for his incompetence. So interesting being a tyrant, having to make so many difficult decisions about who to kill, who to let live, whether or not they can be useful. Oh, you're back. I suppose you heard me monologuing about what I would do to you. This is what I love about these guys. They're so loyal. Even if their loyalty is born from fear. Such interesting creatures. I'll have to thank Psycho Iris for introducing me to them one day. Well, someday, I suppose. But for right now, I think it's time we get down to business and make this land mine. Oh goody, that's wonderful, wouldn't you agree? Wouldn't you agree? I mean, really? With how much time I had left? I'm pretty good at this. Well, let's think about this for a minute. Where should I go next? Oh! Would you look at that? There's only a little one more kingdom left, and it soon will be mine. The Bone Burst Kingdom, land of bones and bombs. These two things may or may not have any evil relation to each other, but they are evil. Look at all these skulls. Gotta remember these things. Yes, picking out 3 bombs from these. All these golden skulls, giant bones. So nice to have something that fits my liking. Why, you little... Sweet, what's up here? Hot container. Suppose it's worth it for letting these morons blow me up. Are they trying to stop me? Well, I wouldn't count on it. After all, these fellows could be useful. Eventually, I think. They could serve some purpose. Or they could serve no purpose. Either way, I know I need more. Why, that little... You're not made of bones or bombs. Granted, you may have a skeleton, but be like this guy. He's made of bone. Why, that little... Calm down, Waluigi. You don't want to destroy everything you've worked so hard to get. After all, what is this kingdom? Well, I mean, I suppose what I'm trying to say is, what's the point of conquering a kingdom if you're just the leader of rubble? Funny thoughts. Huh. Well, it's going quite well, don't you say? Why, that little! I'll be sure to find out whoever made those and give them a piece of my mind. They're incredible when they're not being used on me. We're in water now, Well, I must say, you bombats? God, I forgot about these things and how annoying they are. I'll admit, for as much as I despise General Hazel and her army, she is a pretty good strategist. Well, either that or she's a terrible strategist, because I managed to see past all of them. Every single one of her attempts to stop me has failed. Horribly! Or perhaps I'm simply too smart for her. If I'm so smart, why would I even need a military strategist? I suppose, really, the only thing I need would be a queen. Yes, a queen. That would be nice, wouldn't you agree? Well... Why? I'm getting rather annoyed by all this. But I know that you are not made of bombs or bones. You are out of line. Out of line, you mortal fool. I'll go down in history as the tyrant who conquered the world in just a few days. The man who did what was thought to be impossible. Suppose anything is possible when you truly put your mind to it. Especially when you have psychic powers. I control everything in this land. And truly, everything is mine. Well, I wonder what else I can partake in other than just taking a leisurely swim around this kingdom. Well, let's see. Suppose these fools gonna have to be a little strategic here when it comes to throwing our bombs at these fellows. After all, even though I may be king of this land, I'm not immune to explosions. Although I wish I was. Here we go. I wonder what this chest has in store for us. Ooh, more time? Suppose we're only halfway done. Well, round and round she goes. Where this pipe leads me, nobody knows. Well, I must say this certainly isn't what I was expecting. Like I said, not immune to explosions. It's a bit of a pain, but I suppose when you're king, you can make anything you want happen. Except immunity to explosions. Rather annoying, but I suppose some things we'll just have to do for now. Why do I keep getting annoyed by these things? There we go. Pick up a batch of bombs and, well, like I said, immunity to explosions is not on my resume. But after all, why would I ever need a resume? I'm king of everything. Right then, and... whoop. Well, I'm immune to my own explosions, but... he isn't. Well then, let's see what else is over here. Well, you try sending an army of bomb bats after me? I'll commemorate your effort. You're really stepping up your game. That General Hazel... well, she couldn't do this if she tried. Huh. That was pretty good. And here we are. Here we are. It's the end. You think sending all of your arsenal at me going to change anything? Okay, see this skull right here? This is the kind of thing that I wanted in the Toy Terror Kingdom. But I must admit, I've impressed myself. Boss stage open, you say? Well, this is it. For now, at least. That's going to be it for this episode, everyone. Thank you, everybody, so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye, everybody.